Hello beautiful people, let me quickly show you how to put star rating in your Excel file. Okay, so you have your rating here, so you want to put star rating. How do you do that? Let us use equals rept, double click on it, then you type unicar, double click on it again, then you type 9733, you close the first bracket, you put comma, and then you select the cell for the first rating, and then you close the bracket, you hit enter. Can you see that? Then you can drag down for other ones. Can you see that? Are you enjoying my videos? Please like, comment and share. Let me show you the formula again. Equals rept, open bracket, unicar, open another bracket, 9733, close bracket, comma, then the cell that is containing the first rating. It might not be B3 on your own side. My own is B3, but the cell that is containing the first rating, that's my own B3 here. See you in my next video.